Here's how to add a vertical video on Squarespace. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great, and today I will show you exactly that. It does require some coding, but it is going to be very simple and easy, and you just need to follow me along and I will showcase how to exactly add a vertical video. Now you may know already that you can add a vertical video, but it's not going to be actually the proper size is going to be 16 by 9, and we don't want that. We want it to actually be a vertical video. So I will show you how to do that. So let's actually get to the video. So the first thing that you will need to do is actually go to your Google App Store. So you just open up your Google App Store from here, go to your apps and then Chrome Web Store. And then from here you will need to go ahead and search for Squarespace. So Squarespace ID Finder. So basically this extension for Chrome is going to help us separate the elements or the blocks from within Squarespace. This is going to help us that we resize one video but not every other video that is within our website. So it's just going to help us do that without changing everything else. So it should be this one right here, Squarespace ID Finder. So you just open it up and add to Chrome. It's very simple. And it should be added, and now we should be done in here, and we just go back to our Squarespace. We can go to our account dashboard and let's go to our website. So let's just click on website and let's just add a few videos so you just know exactly what to do. Let me just add it over here. So we just click on edit, homepage. This is all for the sake of the tutorial, so I'll just use any page right now. Add a blank section. Okay, great. So let me just add a block and let me do actually two of them. So this is going to be the vertical one. And I will also add another video just so I can tell you why we used or got the ID Finder. So let me just upload a video for both of those real quick. So I'll be using this video right here. It's a vertical video by this guy from Splash, I believe. So I'll be using that. Okay, so now you can see I have a vertical video here that is not matching, and then we have a horizontal video that I don't want the changes to apply to. So this is why I added both, and I will show you how to actually do it. So once we have our videos here, we just go ahead and save this, and we actually exit out of the editor. We don't want to be within the editor here. So what we will do is actually go ahead and click on pages and then scroll down until we see website tools. Here is going to be where we will be doing all the work. So we just click on it and then we just go ahead and find custom CSS. Now Squarespace, they do kind of change this a lot. So if you don't find it here, you'll need to look up for your version where custom CSS is, because it keeps changing the place or where you can find the custom CSS option. But either way, once you find the custom CSS, you just click on it and then you just click open in new window. And then from here, we will start actually typing in the code. So we go on line 1 and we just simply type in dot video dash block space dot and then video dash player, and then we enter a curly bracket. In here we will do the vertical video first. So to actually fit the vertical video to be an actual vertical video, we just type in within the curly brackets padding dash bottom, and then let's just give it an amount. I think for this one maybe 117 and then percent. Let's see if it works. Okay, so yeah, 117 I think is going to be proper, or maybe not, because you can see the shadow on there. So you can just play around with the number. So maybe let's increase it 118, or let's just do 120. See how that looks like. Okay, yeah, so I think 120 is actually better for this a specific video, but you know, each video may be different, so try different numbers around, you know, the area of 120, 115, that kind of stuff. So this is basically the code to actually create a vertical video to make it look like this, and you can just simply save it and you should be good to go. But if you noticed, the other video here or other videos should also be affected with this code, and we don't want that because this is not a vertical video and we don't want it to be affected. So in this case, we will be using the extension that we have just installed. So let me just pin it over there, and just tell you how to actually use it. So it's very simple. You just go ahead and click on it, and it's going to give you the ID block or the IDs for each block that you have here. So this is going to be the block ID for this video. This is going to be the block ID for this video. So we want this one. So you just click on it and it should say copied. So let's just turn it off and go back to our CSS, where we just go back to the, like, straight to the back, okay? And this just paste it over here, you know, followed by dot video block, and just like we said. So this is how to apply it to only this video. Now, if you want to apply it or a different effect for another video, it's very simple. Again, you just click on it, copy, and then turn it off if you want. And we can just go back to our custom CSS, go to a new line, paste the ID, and then let's just do dot video block, or dot video dash block, and then space dot video dash player. And let's give this one a let's give it a border. So border, or curly brackets first and then border. Let's give it a let's just give it 7 pixel space solid. Let's just do red. And you can see now this got the border and this got the padding. So it's basically how you can separate each video to be with an individual code for it. So you just grab the ID, copy it, and paste it, and then you enter the code. So for the vertical, padding bottom, and then you just enter the number. And for this one, for the border, you can already see the code from here. So this is basically how to add a vertical video on or in Squarespace. So it's very simple. Again, this is the extension is called Squarespace ID Finder. It's very simple, it's free to use, and you can just, you know, click on the ID, copy it, and then enter the code. So I hope this video helped you out on adding a vertical video, and that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.